How to stop notifications on Chrome. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on Settings. And here you need to scroll down to the Basics section. From there, click on Notifications. Now, most of you won't land on this page. This is my phone's notification section for the Google Chrome app. Most of you will land on the in-app notification settings, which is this page right here, from which you just need to turn off the notification toggles at the top right of the screen by clicking on it. And there you have it, the notifications has been turned off. However, I don't really prefer this one right here as it doesn't have as much details. I prefer the previous page, and now I will show you how you can access it on any phone you have. So all what you need to do is you need to open up your settings and then go to apps, and from here you need to go to Google Chrome. You can either search for it or just look for it manually. Google Chrome, click on it, and from the privacy section click on notifications, and here you will find the same page in which you will see all the notifications that can come from the Google Chrome app. So here you can simply turn off the notifications, all of the notifications from the Google app, just by turning off the toggle. And as you can see, notifications from Google Chrome are blocked right now, or you can turn them in a detailed manner. For example, you have the first section, the general section. You can turn them off all at once, or you can turn, say for example, one by one. You want to turn off the notifications for the completed downloads, for the incognito, and for the web apps. Moving to the second section, this is the website notification section, from which you can turn off completely by turning off the toggle. This way you won't get any notifications from any website, or you can turn on for some websites and turn off for others, as you can see right here. This is can be very handy if you follow any news websites or stuff like that. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off the notifications in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you next time.